Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is baked yogurt with Nolen Gur. Nolen Gur is a liquid jaggery which is extremely popular in West Bengal during winter season. But this can be made throughout the year with the normal jaggery which is available in your place. So let's check it out, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of new upload. First of all, I am showing you how to make hung curd in home. So here I have taken a small bowl and a small sieve, and now I am adding 100 gram of curd. This is a plain curd which I have added to the small sieve, and if you are making in a small quantity this will do. This is absolutely alright. You can see the water is dropping already, and leave it overnight in the refrigerator. But here I need more than 100 gram of curd, so here I have taken 300 gram of curd on a big sieve, and I have taken a large bowl. So here I place the sieve, and onto this I have placed a muslin cloth, and on this I have taken the curd. Now I am covering it with the muslin cloth, and eventually the water will be dropped in the bowl. So I am going to rest it overnight, and you can see the water is already dropping. So all the water of the curd will be dropped in this bowl, and it will become hung curd. So I am going to rest it for overnight. Now let me show you the other ingredients. This is Nolen Gur, 1 cup of Nolen Gur, half cup of fresh cream, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. And you will be needing this type of bowl. You can take any bowl of your choice, but I am taking the microwave proof bowl here, and these are glass bowls. Now I brought out the hung curd from the refrigerator, and let me show you how it looks like. The water from the curd is still dropping, you can see that, and I feel it needs more squeezing. So here I am going to squeeze out all the water from the curd, and you can see that the water is still being squeezed out. The more you make the curd dry, the better the dessert will be. Here it is done, and I am keeping this aside and taking a big bowl here, and now I am adding the hung curd to this bowl. You can see it is looking like a paneer. Now here I am greasing the glass bowls with some ghee or clarified butter. You can use white oil or butter according to your choice. This will help to demold the dessert easily. All the bowls are greased. Now I am taking this in the tray and keeping this aside and moving to next step. Now here in this hung curd I am adding the fresh cream first, and now I am whisking it and making a smooth paste. Whisk it well unless you find a smooth paste is formed. Now here I am adding 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar because this jaggery is less sweetened. So I am adding this sugar to this curd and again whisking it well. Make sure the sugar is dissolved well into this curd, and now I am adding the Nolen Gur, not all of a sudden but with a certain interval. Combine the first part of the jaggery well, and then I am adding the second part of the jaggery and again whisking it well and mixing the jaggery with the curd, and now I am going to add the final part of the jaggery. Now I have to whisk it until it dissolved into the curd, and now at the end I am adding the cardamom powder. Mix it well, combine all together, and let me show you the consistency of the batter. This is a dropping consistency. Now I am filling the bowls with the batter and leaving some gap on the surface. I am not filling this to the edges as they are going to rise while baking and it may overflow. Now all the bowls are ready to be baked. Now for the steam baking, I have placed a karai on the gas oven into which I have taken some water which is about to boil, and I have also placed a rack, an aluminium rack in this, and onto this I am going to place an aluminium tray, and on this I am arranging the bowls. After that I am covering them with the aluminium foil, and it will prevent the vapor droplets to drop directly on the dessert. So first cover it with the aluminium foil and then I am going to cover it with the lid. Steam this for 10 minutes in medium-high flame. It's been 10 minutes and I am uncovering the lid, and now I am uncovering the foil to check it, and I am piercing a skewer and it came out clean, so this is done. Now I am adding some saffron strands while it is still hot, and it will give a good color and aroma, but this is optional, you can skip this. Let it be covered for 2 minutes again. This is ready, but before serving, please refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. It's been 1 hour and I have taken them out from the refrigerator, and you can see they are completely set. Now I am showing you how you can take them out from the bowl. So here I am taking a plate and flipping it like so, and just see the magic. Here it is, came out nice and clean. They will release some water, but that is absolutely normal. Garnish it with some chopped nuts or almonds or some few strands of saffron and serve it chilled, and it will taste heavenly. Or you can serve this plain as it is. If you like my recipe, you can subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video to the end.